Hi, my name is Liam, and I am your dedicated resource for fynlo's tutorial videos. In today's session, I'll walk you through on how to set and save your departments or cost centers via fynlo's track categories. To start saving your categories, on the left menu pane, locate and click on Settings and then choose Track Categories. Begin by selecting New Track Category, located on the upper right corner of the screen. Add the corresponding name and a sub-option of your category. In this example, I'll add up to 4 categories. To be more definite on your tracking, you may label your sub-options. For instance, in photography, you can have photo booths, weddings, birthdays, corporate events, and the likes. You can then click on Save. This will now give you a more defined tracking of the incoming payments and expenses. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance.